Hello children, today I am going to teach you lesson 2 longitudes and latitudes. So before going to this topic, let us discuss some important points about the earth. Earth. Children, in olden days, people considered and believed that earth was flat. Earth was flat. But few great thinkers like Pluto, Pythagoras, they believed that earth was spherical in shape. Spherical in shape. One explorer, the sailor Ferdinand, he started his journey from Spain. He started his journey from Spain in the year 1590. 1519 he started his journey from Spain through sea. It was a long journey. He, along with his some colleagues, set on the journey in the year 1509. However, Ferdinand died in the middle of the journey. In the journey he died, and his colleagues completed the journey in the year 1522. How the journey was completed? They started from Spain. They moved various places, and again they came to the same place, that is Spain. So thus they concluded that earth was spherical in shape. The starting point and the ending point was same. Hence, it was proved that the earth is spherical in shape. In the present years, we have got satellite pictures. Photographs are taken from the space that proves that earth is spherical in shape. But in the ancient years, it was believed to be flat. Now, once it was proved that earth was spherical in shape, now human beings started moving more depth, more interior of the earth. So how it can be done? So there were various maps drawn to represent the earth, and the more sophisticated one was the globe. What is globe? It is the true model of the earth. The globe represents the true model of the earth. See, this is the stand. It is fixed on the stand, spherical in shape, and it represents the mountains, the ocean, the continents, rivers, lakes, everything that is found on the map, on the earth, is represented on the globe. This is the North Pole and this is the South Pole. You can see in the figure here it is given. Okay. So globe is the true representation of the earth. The globe has the specific feature of rotation as that of Earth. You can just rotate it like a top. So you can see all the continents behind and in front of the globe by rotating. So that is why it is the true model of the Earth. Next, we will now move to the more depth, more interior of the chapter, and we will discuss regarding longitudes and latitudes. Children, let us draw a flat circle representing the Earth. Now let us consider that it is Earth and the directions are north and south. This is east and west. So first I will discuss latitudes and then I will go for the longitudes. So children, lines running west to east. You can see many lines on the globe or on the earth. Here this is very small, but still I can see the lines running west to east. So lines running west to east are called latitudes. Children, these are imaginary lines. Imaginary lines. Why imaginary lines? Because actually they are not present on the earth. So that is why they are called imaginary lines. The largest line that passes from the middle of the earth is termed as 0 degree. These are measured in degrees. And this is called equator. The line passing exactly from the middle of the earth is called equator. Now equator divides the earth into two parts. Above the equator, that is called the northern hemisphere, and below the equator it is southern hemisphere. So above the equator, northern hemisphere, and below the equator, that is southern hemisphere. After each degree, after 1 degree, these lines are drawn. So here again the second line, it is numbered 1 degree north. Similarly, another line 2 degree north. In this way there are many lines. And how many lines are there? We will just discuss. Till the end it is just a point and it is called 90 degrees. 90 डिग्री यानी इक्वेटर के ऊपर 90 लाइन्स हैं, ठीक है, 90 डिग्रीज तक एक एक डिग्री में बनाया गया है. ठीक उसी तरह से सिमिलरली इन द सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर द लाइन्स आर ड्रॉन and it is also numbered as 1 degree south, 1 degree south, 2 degrees south, 3 degrees south. In this way, this is 90 degree south. यानी इक्वेटर के ऊपर 90 लाइन्स हैं, इक्वेटर के नीचे 90 लाइन्स हैं और एक हो गया इक्वेटर. टोटल हो गया 181 लाइन्स. ये याद रखिएगा आप लोग, How many lines are there? 181 latitudes are there. Now, latitudes are parallel to each other. पैरेलल यानी दोनों दो लाइन के बीच की दूरी हर जगह सेम है, इसलिए इसे पैरेलल्स बोला गया है. लाइंस आर पैरेलल. Imaginary lines, they are parallels and they are complete circle. Complete circle. यानी ये जो लाइन जा रही है ये ऐसे फिर पीछे से घूम के ऐसे इसमें आके टकरा जाए. ये देखिए ये कंप्लीट सर्कल बन रहा है. यहाँ आपको रिप्रेजेंट करने में सही से नहीं दिख पा रहा है, लेकिन आप ग्लोब में इसे देख सकते हैं. In this way they form the complete circle. Now I am going to write down some important lines of latitude. You will have to remember it, learn it. In the book it is given, but still I am writing it here. 23.5 degrees north. That means in the northern hemisphere. It is called Tropic of Cancer. Then 23.5 degrees south. 23.5 degree north is called Tropic of Cancer, and 23.5 degree south it is Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of, then again 66.5 degrees north, it is Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle, and 66.5 degrees south it is Antarctic Circle. ये चार इंपॉर्टेंट हैं. 90 डिग्री नॉर्थ मैं पहले ही बता चुका हूं, दैट इज नॉर्थ पोल. नॉर्थ पोल. और 90 डिग्रीज साउथ इट इज साउथ. तो ये लैटिट्यूड्स के बारे में एक बार फिर से रिवीजन मैं करा दे रहा हूं. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर. Line dividing the earth into two equal parts, that is northern hemisphere northern part and southern hemisphere southern part. Then again after each degree we have one parallel line numbered 1 degree north, 2 degree north, up to 90 degree north. Again in the same way it is in the southern hemisphere up to 90 degree south. Important parallels of latitudes are mentioned here. Now we will move to the longitude. Again we will come back to latitude, but after discussing the longitude. So longitude, what are longitudes? The lines running from north to south. नॉर्थ पोल हमने आपको बताया है, ये हो गया नॉर्थ, ये हो गया साउथ. लाइंस रनिंग फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ इज कॉल्ड लॉन्गिट्यूड. देखिए ये लाइंस, हर लाइन नॉर्थ से निकलेगा और साउथ में आकर इस तरह से जुड़ जाएगा. इस तरह से So these lines are called longitudes or meridian. Now एक चीज इसमें ध्यान देने लायक है, these lines are half circle, half सर्कल. सिर्फ यहां से यहां तक आधा सर्कल हो रहा है और इसका दूसरा हिस्सा जो है वो हाफ सर्कल होगा. स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट इज दिस, द मिडिल लाइन दैट इज 0 डिग्री मेरिडियन, 0 डिग्री मेरिडियन. It passes from the observatory at Greenwich near London. See, in the book it is given in detail about the prime meridian, Royal Observatory in Greenwich near London. It is marked at 0 degree. So I am writing here Greenwich. Greenwich Observatory in London. I hope it is clear. Now, what happens? These are very important, and this is a interesting chapter too. From 0 degree, if we move towards east in this direction, it is called Eastern Hemisphere. Eastern Hemisphere you can say, or eastern side. And if you move towards west, it is Western Hemisphere. Eastern side is Eastern Hemisphere and Western side is Western Hemisphere. तो ये 0 डिग्री है, यहां से फिर 1 डिग्री ईस्ट, 2 डिग्री ईस्ट, इस तरह से हम जाएंगे. और ये इसके पीछे जब एग्जैक्टली हम आएंगे ऐसे, तो ये हो जाएगा 180 डिग्री ईस्ट. उसी तरह से अगर हम वेस्ट जाते हैं तो 1 डिग्री वेस्ट, 2 डिग्री वेस्ट, 3 डिग्री वेस्ट, इस तरह से अगर हम घूम के फिर जाएंगे ऐसे, तो हम पहुंचेंगे 180 डिग्री वेस्ट. चिल्ड्रन, ध्यान देने वाली बात यह है कि 180 डिग्री ईस्ट और 180 डिग्री वेस्ट दोनों एक ही लाइन है, सिंगल लाइन, सिंगल लाइन. अगर आप ईस्ट से उस लाइन पे गए तो उसे बोलेंगे 180 डिग्री ईस्ट. अगर आप वेस्ट से उस लाइन पे गए तो उसे बोलेंगे 180 डिग्री वेस्ट. लेकिन लाइन एक ही है, सेम लाइन इज देयर. तो इस तरह से हमारा यहां से 180 और यहां से क्या होगा, 180 लाइन हो गया. और इधर से जब जाएंगे तो 170 लाइन और एक हो गया 0 डिग्री का. तो ये देखिए 360 मेरिडियन आपको मिलेगा. कंफ्यूजन में मत आइएगा आप लोग. लैटिट्यूड 181 लाइन्स है और लॉन्गिट्यूड 360 लाइन्स हैं. नाउ ये लॉन्गिट्यूड हुआ. लॉन्गिट्यूड का थोड़ा और डिस्क्रिप्शन मैं दे रहा हूं आपको. It is a half circle. They are called meridians. Again, imaginary lines. ये imaginary lines हैं and they are not parallel. They are not parallel. ये parallel नहीं है. देखिए यहाँ कमती दूरी है ना इन दोनों के बीच में, और यहाँ देखिए ये ज्यादा दूरी हो जाती है. यानी मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस बिटवीन 2 मेरिडियन इज एट द इक्वेटर, इज एट द equator. I hope it is clear now. Now, next we will move towards locating the places. अब मैं आपको एक और ऐसा ग्लोब बना के बता रहा हूं. देखिए यहां मैं पैरेलल्स ऑफ लैटिट्यूड बना दिया. ये इसका नंबरिंग 1-2 डिग्री दिया जाता है. मान लीजिए ये 0 डिग्री हो गया, 1 डिग्री नॉर्थ, 2 डिग्री नॉर्थ, 3 डिग्री नॉर्थ, वैसे ही 1 डिग्री साउथ, 2 डिग्री साउथ, 3 डिग्री साउथ. और अगर इसी के ऊपर मैं बना दूं लॉन्गिट्यूड, ये देखिए ऐसे 0 डिग्री, देन 1 डिग्री, 2 डिग्री ईस्ट, उसी तरह से इधर बना दे हम. तो ध्यान दीजिए, अगर मान लीजिए मेरा घर यहां है, अगर मेरा घर, मैं यहां नहीं, आपको यहां पहले बता दूं, यहां है, मान लीजिए मेरा घर यहां है, तो आप इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? पहले नॉर्दिंग्स को लिखिएगा. 0, 1, पहला जो हमने डिजिट लिखा है 2 डिजिट, वो नॉर्थ के लिए यानी लैटिट्यूड्स के लिए. दूसरा डिजिट लिखेंगे हम 0, 1, ये हो गया लॉन्गिट्यूड के लिए. यानी हम इस बॉक्स में रह रहे हैं. ये देखिए ये बन गया एक बॉक्स. दिस इज कॉल्ड ग्रिड बॉक्स. अगर मान लीजिए आप यहां रह रहे हैं, ये बॉक्स ध्यान दीजिए इस पे, तो ये 1 डिग्री वेस्ट है, ये 2 डिग्री वेस्ट. इस बॉक्स का एड्रेस हम कैसे लिखेंगे? पहले हम लैटिट्यूड्स को ध्यान देंगे. देखिए कहाँ है ये लैटिट्यूड, 0 के बाद 1, 1 के बाद, तो फिर से इसको लिखेंगे 0, 1, ये साउथ का है, ठीक है. और फिर उसके बाद हम लिखेंगे 0, 1 वेस्ट. यानी ये हमारा ग्रिड बॉक्स बन गया. इस ग्रिड बॉक्स के अनुसार हम अपने लोकेशन को कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज व्हाट लोकेटिंग पोजीशन ऑफ द अर्थ. We have discussed globes, we have discussed lines of longitude, prime meridian. Once again I will recall prime meridian. What is prime meridian? It is the 0 degree longitude passing from Greenwich Observatory, and from here all the countries they fix their time. This is treated as the most important meridian because whole country is dependent on this for their local time. Lines of latitude is clear. So in the next chapter we will discuss the movement of the earth. Till then you complete your word meaning, question answers, everything. Thank you.